Like always, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Look, this is the latch is broken right here for the tailgate. This is for a 2007 Toyota Tundra I-Force V8 5.7 liter. The thing is, I tried to use that the other day. I tried to open this the other day and it was locked up. What I did was go ahead and order the handle. Just came in. Try to make this video quick. I don't want to make it too long, but I am making it with the package arriving and everything because I want to also see how the product came in. Package looks good on this side. On this side, there's a bottom part. There's a little dent in it. This side is kind of ripped. We'll find out. Give me a little key knife. Cut that open. Yeah, they forced it in there. That's why it's kind of, hopefully it's not broken. Hopefully everything's good on it. See how everything looks on there. It looks good. Don't look broken. All the gadgets look good on it. Pulls and works just like it should. Alright, we'll figure it out from here. Get it going. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. Get this thing going, man. If I can do it, y'all can do it. You ever walk up and you want to open it and oh man, it's not working, like what happened? Well, it broke, man. But you know, if you subscribe to these three, you can see all kinds of stuff I do. You got my YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Tumblr channel. Hey man, this was it. Let me show you how to get that fixed. You have trouble opening that up. Just come inside. You know, I closed it back up because that's the way mine was. Sometimes you have that plastic lining out there. When you pull these, you got to pull these off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. You get those pulled off, and you're good to go. And I just use a drill, which makes it faster. I'm doing all this live because just trying to show you how easy it really is, man. This takes those Torx screws, man. Of course, if you don't have the right one, for this, you can just go the other route, use a screwdriver if you really want. You don't got to use exactly what tools they tell you got to use on them. I'm going to take all that off. Now it's open. Now that you got it open, you're going to squeeze these two together, pull them together. You can open the tailgate. Now you can open the tailgate. Getting everything ready over here. So when I go put it together, I got everything. I don't have to have trouble. Alright, let's go right here. I'll start right here first. able to make sure that I can see everything I'm doing to show you, man. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna, remember I told you, this is hard to, this right here is hard to pull. So get some WD-40. Just spray everything real good, man. Get it from the, you can get it from the inside too. Spray them, get both sides. Get it from the inside, get it done. Now I'm gonna show you how to take this off. It's pretty simple. Very, very easy actually. First thing you want to do, go ahead and pop these off first to get them out of the way. I mean, if you break them, you break them. Then you want brought some anyway. But just, you want to push it out of there. It can be a little stubborn sometimes. If it is, if it breaks all well. Once you got the little clip pop, pull this off. There you got that pull off. Pop that clip off down there. The little clip right here, that's what's holding this your lock. The new one brought one with it. But to take it apart, you gotta pull this clip off, man. Actually, I'm making it harder. There it is, right there. Pull that off. And then use something like, you could use your thing and push it from the bottom up to get it out of there. See, you push it right up, it comes right up. When you're gonna get your new one, you're gonna put it in your new one. If you want, you don't have to, but mine's no good, but I'm just gonna put it in there to cover up that hole anyway. Remember, it came with a clip. Make sure you put the clip back on, because the clip's what holds it in there. But my key thing ain't no good at all. It's all rusted and broken, so, but that's what holds it together. So I just put it back together right there. Now this is a 5/16. You're gonna pull these off right here. 5/16. Very easy to do. Loosen it up if you want by hand. Then it's easier to do it, unscrew it with your hand this way, do it that way. Faster. I mean, I'd like to try to do it the faster way. Now what you're gonna do, there's a little clip right here. Just kind of push it in like that. Then you can push it down, see? You're gonna pull down like that. There's the old one. Remember, after you pull up that clip, just push it from the bottom, up, you can pull it out. Then we got the new one ready to go. Same thing with the new one, you're gonna put it in the same way you pulled it out. You're gonna kind of cock it a little bit like this, so you can get a slide in there. There's a little clip there, make sure it goes past the clip. Once you get in there, make sure the holes line up. You're gonna have to make sure the holes line up for the, there it is right there. The holes are lined up now to put the little screws back on. Get them lined up. Screw them in there. You can use your socket again. There it is. Tight. And when you go to tighten this, don't tighten this too much, guys. There's plastic in there, and you don't want to break that. Just give it a little snug. I mean, you know, more or less. You know more or less if you push it too hard. Once you got that, you pop this back in there. Pop this back in there. That little hole there. Make sure you swing this clip to hold it. Pop those little clip back in there. See that? See? Now, used to not work. Look how easy it worked. It used to be harder with the other one. Now you're good to go. Now what you're gonna do from here, You're gonna get this plate that you took off, put it back on there. Make sure these are lined up. They might have come off when you were doing the thing. Make sure they're lined up before you put the cap back on. Now you can put the cap, another one. Anyway, you get this, put it back on there. Like I said, start all the screws. Start them with your hand, man. Don't. Just the way it is, man. And I recommend, I took them off with a drill. I recommend you put them on with a screwdriver to tighten them up with, because you don't want to tighten them up with your hand and strip them, because that's just plastic, and there's little plastic in there, and if you strip them, then you're going to have to go replace those and buy them new. I mean, look, it's so easy to do. You don't need to drill really you don't even need to drill to take it off, but this is a ratchet screwdriver actually. See, you can ratchet it. Kind of sucks because I wanted to put get that, put the whole thing brand new in there, but I guess I'm gonna have to replace that tumbler if I want to use that. So this is the way I could do it. Like I was showing you, you could use this, but if you got a ratchet one, it's faster. You go like this, man. Instead of going like this all slowly, like that all slowly, man. Hold it like that. The ratchet, boom, it's in there. Boom, yeah. There it is. This is a 5/16. For the inside to pull out the bolts off of here, 5/16. I don't know, this is a T9 or something, but if you don't got the right stuff, you could also use a screwdriver. Find a screwdriver that fits right in there, you can pull it off like that. It's that simple. So like you said, like I tell you, make sure you grease those with WD-40 or something, because if they broke for a reason. Let's test it out. Oh my goodness. Let me put this back here so y'all can see. That works out good. I've been without it for a while. You know, I've been like kind of like, dang, gotta get that fixed, and I want to order it. Never did order it, and finally I ordered it. You see, it wouldn't open at all. Check it out now. So easy, man. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you would, please. I would appreciate it. I'm glad if all those will help. Remember, fix it. You get tired putting stuff all the way over the gate like this when I could have just fixed it a long time ago. Got it going.